to talk to you about is the anchor bolt dimensional compliance. So, with prefabricated work, we have these columns that are prefabricated. They're placed on top of these anchor bolts. So the location of these anchor bolts needs to be proper. Why? Because these prefabricated columns have these holes inside of them that needs to be put on top of that. Yes? So if this dimension does not comply, and this could be concrete, this could be steel. If the dimension does not comply, then what happens is it does not fit. So the whole process of prefabrication needs to be carried out again. So using our system, again, we have the point cloud. We again extract the anchor bolts from that automatically. And we're able to even differentiate between the anchor bolts and the nuts. And this is important. Why? Because once we have the anchor bolts itself and the nuts outside, we would be able to know exactly where the location of the anchor bolt is, rather than the nut and the anchor